Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to edit vertical video using Davinci Resolve. Open your Davinci Resolve. Once it's open, as we know, create a new project. Go to the File menu and select New Project, and here we are. Import your footage into Media Pool. Selecting all and drag media. Now, we create a timeline. Select all media, right-click, click on this Create New Timeline. This little window will pop up. First we change the name of this, or you can use it if you want. You can increase the number of tracks if you want. After that, click on this check, and here go to Format. If you are using new version of software like this, and you can see here this option, use the vertical resolution. You can simply click on this and it will automatically create a vertical timeline. And after that, here, make sure that this option is selected and create the timeline. And if you have other version of software, you can create a vertical timeline like this. Select all, right click, create a new timeline again. Go to Format. You can see here, different type of presets, click on Custom. And change the resolution of vertical. Select here, Scale Full Frame with Crop. This will automatically scale your videos into vertical. And if you want to show multiple videos on screen, you can select first option and you can change the positions of videos manually. Once you've changed the timeline resolution, you can start editing your video. See, here is our audio and we're gonna trim this. You can select music what you like. For best audio, I recommend you check the Epidemic Sound, which provides the music and sound effects for videos. Even you can use this for commercials also. It shows you trending audio playlist of social media, which you can use and go viral your videos. Check the link in description. So, I will just show you an example with this. I think this is better and delete the other audio. So here are our videos that we are using to create short video. First we delete the original audio of clips. Select all and unlink the audio from video with this. And delete. Now we trim the clips and remove the waste part of the video. For a better view I change this. You can do as your comfort. I select the best part of the clips. And gonna speed up this part. You can see this clip is not looking good, so we adjust the position of this with inspector window and makes look great. After that, we match the clips on beat. I think this clip is good to start the video. Match the clips, beat to beat, and cut the extra part of this. We fade in at the starting. Now this looks good. Again I speed up of this part. You can take time to forget good results. Don't do this in a hurry. So we are done. Let's see the final. Add a fade out here. And adjust clips again to match the beat where it's missing. It's done. Here is the final. You do the anything with the videos with more creativity. I will just show you an example. If you want to add effects, go here and select from. And if you want to add text or graphics to your video, you can use the Fusion tab. For color grading, use a color tab. Once you're done editing your video, you can export it by going to the Deliver tab. Here you can give a name what you want, and change the location where it will save. Select here the format. You see different file formats. Select from this MP4, which is best for social media. Select this auto, and resolution 1080p. In frame you can go with 24 or 30. I select the best quality you use from these options. I recommend you choose the best. After that, click here, Add to Render Queue. And here, click on Render. You can see here your video rendering. You can see time remaining. If you want free video editing templates, check this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.